I'd like to talk a little about what the government of Sindh is doing. The government of Sindh has taken several steps to uplift this vital sector. We have established the Date Palm Research Station in Kot DG, where cutting-edge research, including tissue culture techniques, is being conducted to produce high-quality date plants. Additionally, we are improving market access through Khairpur Special Economic Zone and a dedicated date palm processing zone. To strengthen these efforts, we are in the final stages of establishing the Sindh Date Palm Council, which will bring together farmers, industry leaders, and government officials to drive the industry forward. To fully realize this potential, the government of Sindh is focused on developing modern processing facilities and cold storage units that will enable us to meet global quality standards. Over the next 5 years, we aim to train 5,000 small farmers and create 10,000 new jobs in processing and marketing. In addition, we are actively engaging 2,000 women in date processing, providing them with the skills and opportunities to contribute to and benefit from this thriving sector.